Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to do the survival trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go to our Instagram account, of course, then click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram page you have to go to add yours. Actually, let me refresh it because I made a new highlight right now. As you can see, it is new 2022 March. If you click on it, you will see at the top new 2022 March. So you have to click to new 2022 March at highlights, and here you will find the story. It's the second one. You have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first let me do the story and then I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story. So I'll go ahead and do that. I will go with this photo right here. You can now place your sticker where you want and share your story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram page, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 or 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow, it's super short, and it will definitely help you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.